What's up, y'all? Ken and Gainz. You know what it do, what it be, how it is, how's it cracking, how's it hanging. It's been a while. I don't know what's going on. Nice to see you. Nice to see you later. See you again soon. Come back again. Keep watching the rest of the video. Boom, bow, boom, boom, plow. Today, me and my homeboy Dave about to crush some shoulders and back. So we're about to get pretty lit in the gym. See what I did there? See what I did there? Lit. Yeah, about to go pick up my homeboy. We're about to get this lift in. I don't know how many of y'all is team dry scoop, but it's been a long day, so need a little pick me up. So we're just about to knock it back. Dry scoop gang, gang, dry scoop 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 gang. Dry scoop gang. Yeah, here we go. Oh. Woo! So I've been having a little car trouble lately, and I've been driving my mom's car so I can have a way of getting to the gym, getting to work and whatnot.
What's up, brother?
Hey, brother.
Car, brother.
How you doing?
Good, bro.
Good to see you.
How you doing? Yeah, another car.
No, it's my mama's car. I borrowed it. All right, guys, we're headed to the gym. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, we pulling up to the track. You know what I'm saying? About to get these gains in. I was talking to G the other day. He was telling me that he used to do substitute teaching. Did you know that?
He used to be? He does.
He used to. He ain't doing no more.
Oh, he did? He probably did. Health and PE, probably.
Yeah. All right, y'all, we about to get these gains in. You know what I'm saying? I don't have any clothes on because I didn't know it was this cold outside. But it doesn't matter. We still about to go pick them up, put them down. Okay. Appreciate it. All right, y'all. So we about to get this thing popping. I decided to switch it up, so instead we're gonna hit chest and back. You want to bump up?
Are you want to keep it there? Or you trying to go heavy?
I'm trying to go heavy. We can see. Jump up to a 25. We're gonna see if I can get the 205. I'm gonna give you a solid 2.5. That's all I got is 3.
How you feel, bro?
Hit one more. How you feel? Got a chest bump on. Got the milk jugs, the milk jugs. All right, so now that we're finished doing chest, we're about to go ahead and jump on the back. Probably hit some deadlifts and some lat pull downs, and that's it. What you want to go for, like some heavy singles, or you want to go for like some heavy singles, or you want to do like a drop set, or what?
I'm gonna do a drop set.
Okay. All right, we'll start with 135 or 225?
225.
All right. I don't know.
That was a little heavy already.
It's a little heavy. Show what? Put the 25 on there. He's trying to kill me. He's trying to kill me. It's always best to squat with no shoes on. It gives you more stability in your squat, and so that way you don't rock back up on your toes and mess your form up. So what we're doing is a drop set. Started with 10, dropping down to 8, 6, probably finish with 4. And that's what we did earlier on the bench, so that's what we're finishing up with now. I think I broke my back, y'all. My back is broken from doing these deadlifts. So instead of us doing that drop set that we was talking about, the fact that I'm kind of tweaking a little bit from that last set, we're gonna just drop the weight back down and do some AMRAPs. As many reps as possible till you die or throw up, or both at the same time. Alright, so that finishes up our workout today. Hope you guys enjoyed our little vlog of our gym session.
Fried egg. Put it on like a multi-grain.
Oh boy, watch out. So my man
like
Dave
on it.
is a chef, y'all. If you need any catering or personal chef stuff, holler at my boy. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Y'all, my grandma sent me this random ass lantern.
I was like,
yeah, she thinks I'm going like on the Underground Railroad or something, so she sent me a lantern. I don't know what that is. Alright, time to wrap it up. And start!
hey, lit.
Alright guys, so that's all I got for today. Me and my boy, we got it in the gym today. So don't forget to go on my page, hit that like button, because it lets me know that y'all really bang with my videos. Don't forget to push the subscribe button. So when you push the subscribe button, it allows me to make more videos in the future. Be on the lookout for more stuff from me and my boy. You know, in case y'all didn't know, he's a chef. He throws down in the kitchen. Can of Gainz does too. But I'm gonna link all of his stuff in the description below. So on the next time, guys, check me out on my next video. And we out this thing.
rolling.
Keep it rolling. Keep the camera rolling.
Keep it rolling, big fella.
All right.
Always remember, #1 team right here.
Head to the Redskins.
Redskins, baby.
Hail
TTR,
victory.
you know what I'm saying? You got that W today.
On the
They weren't ready for it. They weren't ready for it.
Fight for all we take. And the Indians are rolling faster. But we are going to win the next. Fight on till you are free.